Goosebumps, chills, shivers. We've all felt them. In moments of cold, fear, awe, or overwhelming beauty. But what if I told you that this tingling sensation on your skin is not just a random quirk? It's actually a live broadcast from your evolutionary past. An ancient survival program still running in the background of your 21st century life. Today, we're diving deep beneath the skin to uncover the incredible science and primal history of goosebumps. This is the story of why you get them, and what they reveal about the remarkable ancient machine that is your body. Let's start with the obvious, the cold. When your temperature drops, your brain's hypothalamus, the body's thermostat, sounds the alarm. But goosebumps are an emotional barometer too. A haunting melody, a scene in a movie that hits too close to home, even profound gratitude. They can all trigger the same physical response as a freezing wind. This is our first clue that something deeper is happening. If the same reaction is triggered by temperature, fear, and beauty, it means goosebumps aren't about the cold. They're about something more fundamental, survival and significance. The action happens in a place you never see. Attached to each hair is a tiny, ribbon-like muscle called the erector pili. When your autonomic nervous system, the part you don't consciously control, fires, it orders these muscles to contract. Instantly, thousands of these microscopic muscles fire in a wave across your skin. It's a full body system, activated in milliseconds. But why do we even have this system? For that, we need to rewind the clock thousands of years. Our early ancestors were far hairier. For them, raised hair had two critical life-saving functions. First, instant insulation. Trapping a layer of warm air against the skin was a vital defense against hypothermia. Second, the intimidation factor. Facing a predator, piloerection, the scientific term, made our ancestors look larger and more threatening. This was a brilliant dual-purpose survival tool, and your body has never forgotten how to use it. So here's the fascinating paradox. We lost most of our body hair, but we kept the wiring. Today, that primal danger or cold alarm is being hijacked by our complex modern brains. When you hear a breathtaking piece of music, your auditory cortex processes the sound. But then it activates the amygdala, your emotional center, and dopamine pathways, your reward center. This emotional surge is interpreted by the older, primal parts of your brain with the only vocabulary it knows. This is highly significant. Activate heightened awareness. And just like that, your modern joy or awe speaks in the ancient language of goosebumps. So the next time you feel that familiar chill, whether from a cold breeze or a chord that strikes your soul, don't dismiss it. Recognize it for what it is. It's your nervous system's standing ovation. It's millions of years of evolution whispering, pay attention. This moment matters. Goosebumps aren't a glitch. They're a feature. A reminder that beneath the surface, you are still wired for survival, significance, and profound feeling. Did your brain just give you the chills? Hit like if it did. Subscribe to Wellness Insights for more deep dives into the incredible mysteries of your body. We explore the science behind the everyday.